Hey everybody, it's Nastassia.
Hey everyone, Arica here.
In this video, we're going to be filming a brand new recipe.
We're going to make a diner-style plant-based protein shake.
With the new Blessed Protein flavor.
It's limited edition, so let's get started. Alright, so we have our Blessed Protein shake here. We're just going to fill that with 8 ounces of milk, like so. And then we're going to add 1 scoop of the limited edition birthday cake, which has really cute little like sprinkles in there that dissolve once you shake it.
23 grams of protein.
Yes.
For the games.
We're just gonna shake that up and pour it in.
Ooh, that is so creamy.
That really is. All right, and then we're gonna go ahead and add our whipped cream.
Oh my god.
Yes, please.
Yes. Okay, I'm gonna put the cherry in here. We gotta make this nice.
It's gotta be epic.
It's gotta be epic.
Quick, simple, easy, 23 grams of protein, and come on.
Deliciousness. So, now we're gonna be drinking this. Alright guys, so now you could try this out at home. It's super easy, literally took us 1 minute. Go do it. Totally recommend you. 23 grams of protein. You want muscle?
Tastes really good, really simple. Thank you so much for watching this video, and we hope that you like this recipe. We'll see you for the next video.